What's that? What's this? There's something at my door. What's this? What's that? It wasn't here before. Oh yeah, that's right, I got online, I found the guy, I called the guy and said I want to buy this. Oh, I guess I'd better open it. Never done one of these before. See how I can manage with one hand. And a dull knife. Wow. Packed up nice and tight. There it is. Oh, did he vacuum seal this? Wow. I can't even keep the camera straight. I'm gonna have to No, maybe I can do it one-handed. Oh, I've never seen anything quite like this before. I thought I had seen some overpacked merchandise. Oh, heavy too, but that's good. This is just a little bit difficult. There we go. Should have done that from the beginning. This is a terrible video so far. Camera's all over the place. I think I've got it. Okay, so this is my new, to me, 1969 Olympia SM9. Oh, sorry about the interruption. Had to answer a question for my grandmother. Alright, let's take a look at this thing. Oh, he even wrapped it up with cellophane on the inside. Now that's probably, I don't know if this has a carriage lock on it or not, but oh, that is nice. Never, no, it's got a carriage lock as the keys are not moving, but, let's get this out and, you know what, I'd better just go the safe way. Man, I cannot keep this camera straight. Yeah, I think I'm just going to stop the camera and then come back when I've got it out of its case. Okay, now that we finally got it out of its package, I can take some time to brag about it. This is my 1969 Olympia SM9, made in West Germany. It just came to me courtesy of Richard in Chicago, a very nice guy, good collector too. Go on over to the Typewriter database and take a look at his stuff. This isn't going to be a video for a full-depth review because I don't have good equipment for that, but I just got it out of the box, and you probably can't tell, but it looks very clean on the inside, which is good. So I figured I'd do a little typing sample just to see how it looks, and then I'm going to enjoy the rest of my night. So let's start by typing today's date, which is the 17th, I believe. Okay. And it was even kind enough to put a black ribbon on it. So thanks again, Richard. I really like this machine. I look forward to using it, and I'll see you later.